Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are listed down below in the description box and they have links, so check that out. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see videos when they first come out, hit that notification bell. And comments, questions are welcome. I saw this and I thought, aw, this was one of the first colors I ever played with. And so I'm very excited about that. I saw that and I was like, he's over in the corner. I don't know how I forgot him. I got my Blanco somewhere right there. And I got the bulb. So let's get going with the flowers and see where that lands us. If you get it as far as you like it and you don't want it to go travel any farther, you can blow back like this on it. That also keeps it from just getting a rounded edge, because it'll spread and just get round, and unless that's what you want, just blow it back. That is a pretty color. I don't know why I hadn't used it. Okay. I wasn't going to make this a round flower, but it got a little odd, so I am. Okay, we'll leave it like that. And we'll put a small one right here. Maybe a bud looking or just a partial opening one. Now that worked out really good, because look, I've got different colors, different lines, and I don't have to do anything else. That one is done. Yeah, I like that. Okay, something I did learn on the last one, and I played to find it out. I blew the ink with my airbrush, and it went one straight line. Looked like I'd used a brush, which is the whole point of me not doing it, not using a brush. So I found out that if I did little spurts, it made it jaggedy, which is what I wanted. So we're going to do that again. And I'm going to go ahead and use my black. I've already got some here. And I'm going to start right here and let this one come. Do I want to start right there? Yeah. Well, again, a little different than I had thought, but I'm going to go with that stuff. All right, I'm going with that. I do want to put some, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. This one, I'm going to use a small end because I don't want them real big. All right, this is going to have some sort of center. looks like it's going that way a little bit, so let's do this. See, this just changed my whole game plan. I'm not going to outline. I'm just going to do this. And to be honest, it really doesn't look like it's a sideways flower, so. Okay, not loving any of this right now. Continue on. If nothing else, this is practice. Okay. I'm going to load up a little bit of the black, and I'm starting with the corner. Now I've laid the whole thing down. I picked up and doing the corner again. I'm laying the whole thing down. When I say that, this is what I'm doing. Starting with the corner, then I lay the whole card down and scoot it sideways, and then I'll lift up and use a corner either way and to end this. Liking it better, liking it better. Yeah, that's just, all right. Let's see. What do I want to do? I'm not going to give up now, because before I was about 2 seconds from ditching this. I need something green right here. A small bud. It may be that I just mix Botanical there and Mablanco there, and I do this. That way I could definitely control it. Okay, water was not what I should have used on that. I forgot what I had. I'm not using any water. Okay, let's clean this. So you can see it's gunky, where the water just did not agree. Plenty of alcohol there. There. Okay, that's it. If you do that, guys, it's alcohol you clean it with, not water. Now the acrylic is water. All right. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do on that guy. Yeah, that looks so much better. Okay, I'm going to do a couple more there. The flower that I ditched. There, just something. All right, let's get that white. And I've got one of these little micro brushy things. If you don't have any of these, don't worry. Just take a brush. Just like, here's a little stubby nose thing. You can just dab it and still get somewhat of the effect. So, I'll dab this in here. And I'm just going to get it on there right now. Then I'll start playing. There. I'm content with that. I do want to put actually some little something here. And I'm going to take this and just do some little marks. I think if you always just give something to look at, it's a little bit better than having a straight line and being done. Okay. That could use a little more white, but I'm going to let it dry. But I'm going to splatter. Where's my big one? There we go. All right, we'll do black. I'm going to try to go in angle that everything's going. There. Here's the challenge. What do I do about this green? This is what it needs to be. This is what they are. Okay, even if this is too dark, it's still in line. See, still have that. First thing I do is add a little white. Let's see what that does. All right, and we'll splat around this area. Yep, that matches really well. Okay, well, that's different. Here's some extra stuff to look at. There. I really want to do something else with those leaves, but I am not going to because they're really cool on their own. Okay. Go try some of this fun stuff. Y'all have fun.